Diabetic-Friendly Meatloaf, a flavorful journey to healthier comfort food. In the world of comfort food, meatloaf holds a special place, evoking feelings of home and nostalgia with every bite. However, for those managing diabetes, traditional recipes can pose challenges with high carbs and sugars. That's why we've crafted a diabetic-friendly version of this classic dish that maintains all the savory goodness without the worry. Let's dive into the recipe that will make your dinner a hit, keeping it both delicious and healthy. Ingredients: 1 pound of lean ground turkey, a healthier, leaner choice compared to beef, a 1/2 cup of almond flour. This low-carb alternative to breadcrumbs helps bind the loaf without adding unnecessary carbs. 1 large egg, essential for holding the loaf together, and 4 cup unsweetened tomato sauce, adds moisture and tanginess with a bit more for glazing. 1/2 cup finely chopped onions, for that subtle sweetness and texture. 1/4 cup finely chopped bell peppers, adds a fresh, crunchy dimension. 2 cloves of garlic minced, for that indispensable garlic flavor. 1 teaspoon dried thyme, for a hint of earthy herbiness. A 1 teaspoon salt, to enhance all the flavors. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, adds a slight kick. A pinch of cayenne pepper, optional, for those who like a bit of heat. 1. Preheat your ovens to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures your meatloaf cooks evenly and develops a nice crust. Mix the ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the ground turkey, almond flour, egg, and 1/4 cup of tomato sauce. Mix until these are well incorporated. Then, add the chopped onions, bell peppers, minced garlic, thyme, salt, black pepper, and cayenne pepper if using. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly to distribute the flavors evenly. Shape the meatloaf. Transfer the mixture to a baking tray lined with parchment paper or lightly greased. Shape it into a loaf form, roughly 9 inches long and 5 inches wide. This shape allows for even cooking and easy slicing. Add the glaze. Spread the remaining tomato sauce over the top of the meatloaf. This will add a rich, caramelized layer that not only tastes great but also makes for an appetizing presentation. Bake. Place the meatloaf in the oven and bake for about 50 minutes, or until the meat is thoroughly cooked and the juices run clear. An internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit ensures it is safe to eat. Rest and serve. Let the meatloaf rest for 10 minutes after removing it from the oven. This allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, making it moist and flavorful. Slice and serve with a side of your choice, such as steamed vegetables or a fresh garden salad. As why this recipe works for diabetics. This meatloaf avoids the pitfalls of high-carb ingredients like traditional breadcrumbs and ketchup, which are often high in sugars. Almond flour and unsweetened tomato sauce provide healthier alternatives that keep the carbs in check while enhancing the flavor profile. The inclusion of lean turkey and plenty of herbs and spices ensures that no taste is sacrificed for health. Enjoy this diabetic-friendly meatloaf with the confidence that you are eating a meal that is as good for your body as it is for your soul. It's a perfect example of how traditional dishes can be modified to suit specific health needs without losing an ounce of deliciousness. So gather around the table and enjoy a slice or two of this comforting culinary creation.